Tayong dalawa ay laging nagmamahalan. Pangarap ko na kailan may di maglaho ang pag-ibig kong ito, pagkat hindi ko makakayang mawalay sa'yo. Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko, sana na may pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabing ikaw lamang ang tangi kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang puso ko'y ibibigay lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako mula ngayon hanggang magpakailan pa man. Ikaw lamang.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
They don't know how long it takes
waiting for a love like this.
every time
We say goodbye. I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Though the breezes through the trees move so pretty, you're all I see. As the world keeps spinning round, you hold me right here, right now.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed when we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday.
I would run away. I would run away, yeah, yeah. I would run away. I would run away with you, 'cause I've fallen in love with you. No, I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Close the door, lay down upon the floor, and by candlelight make love to me through the night, 'cause I have run away. I have run away, yeah, yeah. I have run away, run away. I have run away with you. From this moment, life has begun.
From this moment, you are the one.
Right beside you
Is where I belong.
from this moment on.
From this moment, I have been blessed.
I live only for your happiness,
And for your love, I'd give my last breath.
from this moment on. I give my hand to you with all my heart.
Can't wait to live my life with you.
She was driving last Friday on her way to Cincinnati on a snow-white Christmas Eve, going home to see her mama and her daddy with the baby in the back seat. 50 miles to go and she was running low on faith and gasoline. It'd been a long, hard year. She had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew it, she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She saw both their lives flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go, so give me one more chance to save me from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. It was still getting colder when she made it to the shoulder and the car came to a stop. She cried when she saw that baby in the backseat sleeping like a rock. And for the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, I'm sorry for the way I've been living my life. I know I've got to change. So from now on tonight, Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go, give me one more chance, save me from this road I'm on. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel.
Ngayon po mag-aaring ipaya ang itinalaman sa isa't isa. Sa ina, umagbas sa iyo ang iyong nagparito upang may sanlibin si Michael na iyong pamamahalin at pagdihin mo na ang buhay. Michael, umagbas sa iyo ang iyong nagparito upang may sanlibin sa ina na iyong pamamahalin at pagdihin mo na ang buhay. Nahanap ay gumanap sa iyong kalinagutan sa simbahan sa bayan na umaasang kung aagawin ang mga supling ay pagkakaroon ng buhay kapal upang sila iyong parapihin bilang mabubuting mga mapayang Kristiyano. Pinapagawa ng Michael sa ilan sa harap ng Diyos o kanyang sandayan, pagkaupin niyo yung mahalan at pagkatimahin niyo ang hindi nakitiman sa banal sa kanilang ng kasal.
Thank you.